Now you gotta be special when you know I can't have you. When I'm under the next one, oh, now you want to get aggressive. Oh, do you mean you keep on making me bleed? Nightmares turn into a dream. If you're so toxic to me, what am I feeling? Cause I thought it was over. Got me thinking my feelings over. You keep doing it over and over. You keep calling me back. I'm just trying to get closer. You pulling me closer and closer. Phone ringing like over and over. Cause you keep calling me back.
Hey my baby dolls, welcome back to another wig video. Today I am showing you guys a beautiful unit by Geeta Hair or Geeta Hair. Hopefully I'm pronouncing this company right, but this is the brand of the company and this is what I received in my bag. I received a band for my lace and of course a wig cap. This is the hair right out of the packaging, you guys, and I was very impressed that this hair came already pre-plucked for me and the lace looked like it was already ready for me to put on. Okay, this is their fluffy kinky curly HD transparent lace. This is a 13 by 4 lace. This wig does come with this band here that you can either take off or put on, so it is optional for you, and the wig does come with the adjustable straps in the back still as well. Now, like I said, with the band that it comes with, you can either take it off or keep it on. It is optional for you to loosen and tighten it the way that you want. The band helps with extra secureness for the wig. Now, I did just show you guys the glue that I am using. This is the Ebon adhesive glue. You can purchase this from your local beauty supply store, or you may can find it online for purchase. But this is what I'm using to apply my wig. I did put about 2 or 3 layers down, and I wait for this glue to show up clear, and then I start applying. For this wig, since I did not bleach the knots, I did go ahead and put a little bit of my foundation in the cap. This is optional in the lace is what I'm trying to say. I'm sorry. I did have some in my wig cap too as well, but this just helps with having the lace just melt down seamlessly because the knots are not bleached. So I just made sure that I made the lace look natural as possible. This is optional, like I said, if you don't have time to bleach your knots. Now this lace is nice quality, it's really good quality. This is an HD lace, so it just automatically lay down and melt down to perfection on its own, especially because this lace was pre-plucked. When I say I was so happy that this wig came pre-plucked for me, because I hate plucking, and you know, with plucking it takes more time for you to install your wigs. So right away, you guys know this was a 10 out of 10 for me. With the rest of this unit, I am going to just cut the extra lace that is there. Make sure you guys are cutting that extra lace. You guys do not need that, so that your wig can fit ear to ear comfortably, okay, because that is annoying. So just cut that extra lace off, and then you guys are going to just continue to see me melt down this lace, okay? So you guys can just watch this process, and then I'm going to come back and show you guys how I'm going to style the rest of this hair.
Now you gotta be special when you know I can't have you. When I'm under the next one, oh, now you want to get aggressive. Oh, do you mean you keep on making me bleed? Nightmares turn into a dream. If you're so toxic to me, what am I feeling? Cause I thought it was over. Got me thinking my feelings over. You keep doing it over and over. You keep calling me back. I'm just trying to get closer. You pulling me closer and closer. Phone ringing like over and over. Cause you keep calling me back. La 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 la. Why you keep calling me back? Love needing you switch up. I'd rather we never pick up, but can we slip up and mix up?
One thing that I did love about this texture of the hair was the curls, y'all. Like, these curls are so freaking pretty. Like, and it's versatile. You could even do some bangs if you wanted to, but of course I didn't want to do any bangs this time. But I really feel like if you was just to do no part and just have the curls all over, that will be a really gorgeous look. I ended up doing a middle part, and I did use a little bit of mousse to mold my part into its place. And I did use this mousse all over the wig too, just to define the curls even more. So you can use product in this hair. You can use water, you can use mousse, or any type of curling product to help intensify the curls. It's all up to you, but this hair does work well with product, okay? And I did pluck my parting a little bit off camera, so literally that's the only thing I did pluck was the parting. Everything else, the hairline was perfect. I did not have to pluck the hairline, which was a 10 out of 10 for me again, okay? I end up doing some natural baby hairs. I was really just trying to figure out how I wanted to go with this because I like the natural, the way the hairline just came off so natural. So I didn't want to overdo it with baby hairs, like the dramatic baby hair look, honestly. So I just tried to figure out how I can make the baby hairs look like it was falling naturally on its own. And that's exactly what I was going for.
Love needing you switch up. I'd rather we never pick up. But can we slip up and mix up sometimes? You say it don't mean it, just wonder when it's gonna be.
So everything is pretty much molded down. My lace looks so good. It looks like this hair is growing out of my scalp, y'all. And the knots are not even bleached, but I do want to bleach the knots in the near future. Let me know your thoughts on this hair. It looks so realistic. The curls, I love the way the curls are made on this unit. It just looks so realistic and natural. I love this hair so much. I don't have anything bad to say about it. The quality of the hair is good. The lace quality is amazing. And you guys know the lace quality is important with wearing a wig, okay? But these are my thoughts. My honest opinion on this hair is really pretty. Everything will be listed in the description box. The inches, the density, everything that you need to know. Even if it's a coupon code, it will be in the description box. I love you, baby dolls. Until next time, let me know y'all thoughts. I will definitely purchase this hair, and I'll see you dolls in my next video. Bye.